everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a tidy up Tuesday. This is a quick 15-minute video of me tidying up my main living space during nap time, and today's video is in collaboration with the awesome Grace Smith here on YouTube. Guys, she has an awesome channel. You really need to go check her out. I'm really excited to do this collaboration with her. We've been planning this collaboration for a while, and I'm so glad that we finally got around to it. She has so much cleaning motivation on her channel. She's amazing. Her house is absolutely gorgeous. Her family is so cute. She has so many videos that just include so much cleaning motivation, tips, tricks, and I know you guys will love her. So don't forget to head on over to her channel, and I will leave all her information down in the description box below. And we're gonna start out here in my master bedroom, just get the bed made, just start the day out with getting the beds made. I feel like that's one of the main things to kind of get me motivated when it comes to cleaning. If I have my bed made, the rest of the house is kind of smooth sailing from there. So that's where we're gonna go ahead and start. And like I said, today's video is just a tidy up. We're not doing any deep cleaning. This is just a quick, pick up things around the house, put things away, minimal cleaning. And this is during my son's nap time, so this is my usual afternoon routine. My husband works evenings, so at this time my husband's getting ready for work, and this is the time where I have to myself.
Give me a reason to get out of bed. I need a minute to think, or maybe two. 'Cause yesterday I lost control and said some things I felt that you should know. I need a day to clear my mind and leave it all behind. It's gonna be okay.
Alright, and moving on to the kitchen, I went ahead and made breakfast and a little bit of a lunch here, so we're gonna go ahead and clean up the aftermath of all of that. In our family, we don't have evenings together since my husband works in the evening, so breakfast and kind of early lunch is the time that we have to spend together. So I don't spend any time cleaning during that time. So when my husband leaves for work or while he's getting ready for work, this is my time to kind of get the house together.
Million ways to mess things up, and I need some time to figure out what to say and make our troubles disappear.
And forgive me guys, I'm just getting over a little bit of a head cold. That's why my voice is sounding a little funny today. And for those of you who are new, welcome to my channel. My name is Laura. I'm a wife, a mom of a 1-year-old boy named Luke, and I'm also a nurse. I recently started this YouTube channel. Well, I guess not much recently. It's been about 8 months now, and I have absolutely loved it. This community that I have met and been able to support and has supported me has been amazing. And I will say that cleaning motivation is one of the top videos I look for when I go on YouTube. So I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn that notification bell on, and I would love to have you. So make sure you leave me a comment and let me know that you're new.
It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight tomorrow. Let all our worries fade, let them sweep away. There'll be another day tomorrow. It's gonna be okay, no matter come what may. I'm gonna set things straight tomorrow. Let all our worries.
And most days when my husband goes to work, I do go ahead and pack him a lunch. So that's what we're doing here. I had made some soup, and then I'm going to give him a sandwich here for lunch.
Oh, 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 oh. Tomorrow. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Tomorrow.
During the mornings, my son loves to play hard. So toys are everywhere, things are dragged out of drawers. It's just kind of chaotic after the morning rush. But I like to just go ahead and pick everything up and put it back in its place. This particular day, we were going to go out after my son woke up from his nap, and we were going to have dinner at my sister-in-law's house. So I just went ahead and cleaned as if we were closing up shop for the day. So we're going to go ahead and put everything away, give it a good wipe down, give it a good vacuum, and that's it.
You give everything so easily, but there are things you don't let people see. Open up and hammer down the wall, and all the fighting, and just let it fall. My love is real and it's not just for the season. Here's what I feel, I don't need a better reason. You broke your heart, come use mine. My love will last, it'll stand the test of time. When I reach you and you feel your heart, I'm gonna teach you how to leave the dark. Now you're starting to reveal the truth. Behind the gardeners was always you. My love is real and it's not just for the season. Here's what I feel, I don't need a better reason. You broke your heart, come use mine. My love will last, it'll stand the test of time. Yeah, I'll make you, there's a guarantee. I don't care about your history. Come and open up your heart to me, to me. My love is real and it's not just for the season. Here's what I feel, I don't need a better reason. You broke your heart, come use mine. My love will last, it'll stand the test of time. My love is real and it's not just for the season. Here's what I feel, I don't need a better reason. You broke.
And a couple times a week, I do like to give my sink a good scrubbing. What I like to do is do some baking soda, vinegar, some dish soap, give it a good scrub, and use the hottest water possible to kind of clear out any oils or anything that may be in the drink.
You said, let me tell you everything I've seen, the friends I've made, and then you tell me how you've been. Look a little closer, it's been quite some time. You gotta let me know if I'm out of line. But there's some words that I just wanna hear you say, to put it all straight before this night turns into day, and then I'm on my way. Yeah. Yes, I'm on my way. A bit naive and so eager to please. You know I played for love, but it got me on my knees. Now's the time to reap what I've sown. Your words echoing in every single bone. Underwater, so far out at sea, there's no cure.
And then we're going to go ahead and vacuum the kitchen, the living room. We're going to pick up the toys in the living room and give that a vacuum as well. I'm not going to do a mop today. Like I said, this is not a deep clean. This is just a tidy up. This is just kind of getting things back in order. So here we are.
Every time that I breathe, I can feel your worry. So I have to take my love and write a different story. I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. I'm on my way. Yes, I'm on my way. I've been in your waters, been knocking at your door. I know one thing for sure, I've never been so close before. It's one way or the other, no way in between. I ain't getting any younger, and you will stay forever a dream. You were truly my lover, but it was over so fast. Just one thing to discover. Oh no, it was never built to last. Well, you just fall in and out of love. Well, you just fall in and out of love.
My son likes to eat snacks at this coffee table here, so we're gonna go ahead and give it a good vacuum all the way around, just because pretzel crumbs and crackers and all that stuff just falls all over the floor. And as you guys can see, I realized that there were still crumbs on the countertop, so I had to brush them off and then re-vacuum that area just to get that all up. Let me know in the comments below, do you guys have the same problem with your toddlers? Are you constantly vacuuming up crumbs and food off of the floor?
It was always on fire, our house, our dreams. We were dancing on a wire, reckless it seemed. We found holes in these walls.
All right, and here is an after shot of the kitchen, the living room, and this is how it looked after I lit a candle, kind of just kick back, relax. I still had a little bit more time before my son woke up from his nap. So now it is time for some mommy time, and we're gonna go ahead and have a cup of coffee and relax until Luke wakes up from his nap. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up like I said before, subscribe to my channel, turn that notification bell on, and don't forget to check out Grace's video. I know you guys will love her. Her channel is absolutely amazing, and like I said, I will leave all her information down in the description box below. Bye!
We were
mistakes. Real love, we thought it was all